60 years ago today, on March 31st, 1962, my hometown of Milton, Florida was hit by a devastating tornado, leaving 17 people dead, hundreds of people injured, and many were left homeless after their homes were demolished. The twister left a path of destruction over a 7-mile stretch and $1.8 million in damages. At the time, it was the most powerful tornado to ever strike the state. Today, on the 60th anniversary, and in honor of those who died and survived, I want to dedicate this video in honor of their memory. I have also added the end video link at the end with the full story from the documentary I made last year about how the story unfolded on that fateful Saturday morning, 60 years ago today.